Good morning and welcome to this video. I spent now my last couple of days in Tübingen and I'm going to the hairdresser and hopefully this time he won't fuck up my hair. So this is the before video. Let's just hope he won't fuck it up this time because the OG viewers know that the last time I went to the hairdresser, let's put it this way, I wasn't very happy with the end result. So yeah. I forgot to film the after video, but here's an image I sent to my girlfriend after the haircut. So what's up, people? Yeah, now it is time to go. Fuck, hier soll ich sagen? Alright, I just finished a study from stream. Now I went grocery shopping with my girlfriend, and now it is time for some ramen. Alright. See ya. It is so beautiful. Let's fucking go. Alright, I just ended the stream and now it is time to hit the gym.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I'm gonna pop some tags. Coming with $20 in my pocket. I don't wanna fall asleep. I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of a future cause I never see those days.
I'm such a goof lord, what the fuck.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit me get up.
Time for some cinnamon rolls, right? And yes, we're doing that on a bed because we run out of space. Oops. I'm a professional. Don't they look beautiful? Holy shit. Almost as beautiful as you are. Alright, let's go. I'm hyped. I'm already fucking hyped. I'm still fucking addicted. Holy shit. Okay, I think they're ready. Let's check them out. Oh my god, they look so good. Let's go. Okay, my girlfriend just said they're not ready yet. Yeah, I'm sad. Alright, but now they're done, right? Please tell me they're done.
Yeah, they're done.
They look beautiful, don't they? Holy shit. And additional some Christmas punch or something. I don't know how it's called, to be honest, but yeah, it looks awesome. And now she wanted to watch a Christmas movie, so help me. Yeah, tasty. All right, what's up? Actually, a lot of you guys asked me to do a room tour. So yeah, here we go, I guess. All right, that's the entrance. So you get in like that. All right, so on the left, you can see a jacket rack. And on my right-hand side, there is my closet. Yeah, pretty boring. All right, then on the ground, you see my shoes. My little bathroom. Yeah, I've got everything that I need. Hi. All right, so here's the bathroom, and now we enter the main room. All right, and in the main room, we can see a little table here. Yeah, I usually store a couple of random things on it, like my wallet and my painting stuff. For example, yeah, the canvas, a couple of old paintings, my sketchbook with a lot, okay, not that many, but a couple of drawings. Yeah, I was practicing a little bit of anatomy. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, on the right side, there's a big ass wardrobe with a little figure, a little statue over here. That's actually German, not saying, but yeah, people, a quite common phrase, I'd say, especially in my area, which is passiert ist passiert. That means basically what happened, you know. All right, then a couple of more stuff, a little statue here over here that I got from my grandma when she was in Egypt. In my opinion, pretty cool. Then, yeah, I don't know, that was a face, guys, that was a face. Let's continue. Yeah, also, one of my greatest memories, I got that from my mom when I was driving a Formula 3 car. That was awesome, and she wanted to give me something so that I can remember that special day. You can see me driving the Formula 3 car. Unfortunately, it has no sounds, and also it looks like it was filmed using a potato, so yeah, please excuse me. I'm going to imitate the sound now. I was so overwhelmed, and I really don't want it to leave. A very special day. So yeah, that's something I got from my mom. That's something I got from my girlfriend, because I'm currently rooting for McLaren. Probably my favorite motorcycle, Ducati Panigale, and a helmet of a German driver, Formula 1 driver, Nico Rosberg. On this side, I have like a couple of electronics parts. I like to work with that a little bit. And then, yeah, that's just a couple of cables. Right, there's also just some random stuff in it, so yeah. Who cares? Also random stuff, household stuff, and yeah, that's my gaming stuff. You can see I have a Switch 2 and a PS5 controller, even a VR headset, and also a couple of games. That's it from this side. Here a Zen garden, a little Zen garden. Also, I think this little bro gave up, unfortunately. Actually, I got that planned a couple of years ago, and I think maybe in 2010. I have that little plant quite a long time now, but yeah, I think now it is time. And her name was Planty. Yeah, let's continue. A rice cooking device, which is awesome. The desk that you people all know. Yeah, here's a little camera, and that's basically the view that you get. Yeah, 2 screens, keyboard, mouse, teapot, brain, bonsai, Christmas bonsai currently. That's it. Clumsy as I am, I had my thumb on my mic, so I have to do now a little voiceover. So yeah, now we're going outside, and now you can see my little terrace. I love that little place, you know, cozy lighting, a little table to work on and study on, also a little barbecue grill. Yep, very cool. Also, very nice view and nice garden. And yeah, I will definitely miss it. Let's continue. That is my little dishwasher, which definitely comes in handy. Yeah, especially if you're a lazy person like myself. That is my little microwave, also an oven at the same time. Yeah, very cool thing as well. I already prepared a lasagna with it. I baked cookies. Definitely versatile little thingy. The rest of the little cupboard is pretty boring. It basically just holds a couple of cooking ingredients and also some gym stuff. Let's move on. Here you can see my coffee machine, which unfortunately gave up recently. That's kind of sad because it was basically my foundation and powered my study sessions. So yeah, that's definitely a bummer. This is my reading corner. Here you can see books that I finished recently. Also, you can see books that I'm currently reading, like Dracula. Guys, you need to read it. It's so fucking good. All right, here's my bed. And then let's move over to the kitchen. Yeah, currently kinda clean. Yeah, it's a small one, but it has everything that I need. Here on the right hand side, we find a little stove. I mean, yeah, it's small, but you know, it's enough. And then there is also a little closet, which holds a couple of, you know, dishes and stuff, cups. And yeah, I mean, you can see it's a little, yeah, an older closet. A lot of people have been using it before me, and you definitely can see that. So, but yeah, anyways. And yeah, that's it. That was everything. That was my little student accommodation, which I really loved. I mean, it has everything that you might want and might need. You've got your own little kitchen, you've got your bathroom. Definitely very grateful that I got the opportunity to move into this little accommodation. Yeah, that's it. This is also the end of this little vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's my first one, so be kind in the comments. Yeah, I guess I see you guys in another live stream. I'm online every single day except during the weekend at 9:30 a.m. GMT plus 1 is the time zone, in case you're wondering. And yeah, see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. And yeah, see you guys. Bye bye. Thanks so much for watching.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.